In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and share links in Microsoft Teams. Whether you're collaborating with a small group or a large team, knowing how to share files efficiently is key to successful communication. So let's dive in and explore how to do this seamlessly within Teams. First, you'll need to navigate to the chat or the channel where you want to share your file. This is your starting point, as determining the correct chat or channel ensures that the right people have access to the important information you're about to share. Once you're there, you'll notice a variety of options, but for now, we're going to focus on the attach icon, which you might recognize as the paperclip symbol. This icon is your gateway to sharing. When you click on the attach icon, you'll be prompted to choose a file. Here, you have flexible choices. You can either select a file that's already in OneDrive or upload a new file directly from your computer. Both options are straightforward, and Microsoft Teams handles them seamlessly. Simply pick the file you wish to share. Now here's where the magic happens. Upon selecting your file, Teams will automatically generate a shareable link. This is incredibly handy as it saves you the extra steps of creating links manually. With just a few clicks, you're ready to share your document or media file with your team members. Once you have your shareable link, go ahead and post the message in your chat or channel. Your teammates will see the link and they can easily click on it to open the file you've shared. This allows for a smooth transition into collaboration, whether it's on a document, a presentation, or any other type of file. One vital tip to remember is that you have control over the permissions of the file link before you send it. This means you can decide whether the recipients can just view the file or if they have the ability to edit it as well. Adjusting these settings to suit your needs ensures that your data is handled as securely and appropriately as you intend. And there you have it, a simple yet efficient way to create and share links in Microsoft Teams. By mastering this process, you're not only enhancing your own workflow, but also contributing to a more organized and effective communication system within your team. I hope this guide has been helpful and you feel ready to share links like a pro in Microsoft Teams. Thank you for joining us today.